There are big moments in life that simply can't go by without having a picture taken. These are our most important, our biggest moments. Milestone birthdays, transformations, the celebration of love, family, beauty. We work so hard for these moments. We wait for them to happen, and when they finally happen, we never want to forget what they felt like. Yet most of these photos end up on a hard drive, and just like that, they are forgotten. I'd like to see people value those moments through photographs. I'd like them to have these moments up on the wall, on the coffee table in an album, or in a beautiful box as a keepsake for generations to come. These photos will be priceless one day. This is why I chose to offer the most exquisite form of presentation for your photos. I believe that the marriage of fine Italian craftsmanship and beautifully executed portraits displayed in your home can brighten every single day. They will be a lifetime reminder of those beautiful moments, and they will always take you back so that you would never forget about them.